Hello, this is Megha Pandre, and today in this chapter, lesson number 14, India, location, geological structure, and physiography, we will talk about different types of soil which are found in India. So let's continue with some of the images of India. Now, here we will continue with the soil. We know that soil is the basic resource for agriculture. Besides agriculture, soil is also very important. Soil is a thin layer formation of the organic and inorganic matter on the surface of the earth. Soil is related to the surface of the earth in the same way as the apple with its skin. The thin layer on the crust of the earth is called as soil. Now, soil formation. Soil is a result of denudation of rocks. The rock surface is eroded due to the factors like temperature, vegetation, rain, snow, air, and insects. And they turn the stones into powdery form. Thus, this form is called as land layers. In this layer, there are gravel, smaller stones, pebbles, soil particles, etc., which are known as regolith. It contains only one mineral content. These then the biotic matter, air and water are mixed with it. Finally, soil is formed out of this mixture. The process of soil formation is a long-term process. And now we will move on with the types of soils in India. First, alluvial, and then with the rest of the others. Now first we will continue with the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil can be divided into two types. First is khadar and second is bangar. The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit is known as khadar soil. The soil which comes along with the river water is known as khadar. As this soil is formed due to the river floods, it is found mostly nearby the rivers. Generally, such soil is sandy. Soil containing old alluvium in the upper valley region of a river is called as bangar, where the soil where you will find this soil at a very far distance, that is called bangar. It is sticky and has hard color. Alluvial soil is seen in many parts of the country. Their fertility is also different at different places. Generally, such soil is very fertile. It is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, etc. Now, the second soil we will be talking about is called black soil. Now, where it is located? This soil is found mostly in Maharashtra, Western Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Black soil is the gift of Peninsula Plateau. This soil is very sticky and fertile. It can retain humidity for a prolonged time. It is formed from the igneous rock and is very useful for cotton cultivation. That is why it has become famous as black cotton soil. It is also known as Réguer soil. Second soil, the next soil is red soil. Red soil is found in the region of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Its red in color is due to ureous and other humus content. The soil is porous and fertile. Such soil is seen in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. So these are the number of areas where red soil are found. Next is laterite soil. Now, this soil is the result of excessive erosion by rivers. Due to heavy rain, the humus contents from the soil, topsoil, descends into the lower strata, which is called leaching. As the soil contains less humus, it is less fertile. The red sandstone contains iron and alluvium. The erosion of these rocks results into a red color. Such soil is found in the mountainous region of Deccan, Karnataka, Odisha, Kerala, and some parts of northeast also. Next, we will move on with the mountain soil. So, mountain soil, humus content is more due to the forest, although it differs from place to place. Such soil on Shivalik range is less fertile and less developed. The soil is sandy and porous and does not contain much humus. Such soil is found in the mountainous region of the country such as Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Hill region, Uttarakhand, Himachal, and Jammu and Kashmir states. And the last soil we will cover is desert soil. Such soil is found in the arid and semi-arid region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. The soil here is more alkaline and has less humus content. Alkaline means salt. It contains more of salt into the soil. Agriculture has been made possible in such soil only through irrigation. Thus, a large diversity in soil of the nation is seen due to diversity in the climate and relief feature. So here we end up with the explanation of this chapter. Until then, goodbye.